Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Marvel Rivals not launching or opening on your Windows 11. This is going to be a very straightforward video, so make sure to watch until the end not to miss any important details. So we're going to go to our Steam or Epic Games. It's going to be the same exact steps. We're using Steam for today. We're going to go to the Marvel Rivals game that we have installed, right click it, go to properties, and then from here go to installed folders. You're going to verify integrity of game files to verify the game's files are installed correctly, because this game is notorious for corrupted files and issues. So once you do that, it's going to take some time. Now once that is done, you're going to go to browse, and then from here, you're going to search for the launcher itself, Marvel Rivals underscore launcher.exe. Right click on that, go to properties, compatibility, and make sure that the game is running under this administrator section. So make sure that this box is ticking. Once those steps are done, you're going to search for Windows Defender. Then you're going to select the first one. From here, you're going to turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off, and then you're going to make sure that it's turned off. Finally, if you're using an NVIDIA GeForce card, so you might have the NVIDIA application, search for the NVIDIA GeForce Experience, click on it. As you can see, we have the game right here, so you're going to go to the drivers, and then you're going to check for any new updates, and then you're going to simply click on here and download the newest update for the drivers to fix this issue. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.